Hello guys, it's Gossi from GUIs, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you
how you can install Python on your system. And so when you open up your browser, in your browser you're going to be searching for Python, and we're going to be downloading the exe file, which is the executioner file. And so we're going to select the first option, which is the Python official website, python.org. And then when you click on it, it will bring us to the official welcome page for downloading and installing Python. And this is the official page for downloading and install Python. And here we can see different releases of the Python versions available, from version 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 3.10 down to 3.11. And also there are different options for different operating system, Linux, Mac OS, and others. So we are going to be downloading for Windows, and then you hit the download Python 3.11.1 version, or the version you desire, and then it will start downloading Python on your desktop or laptop, or for whatever device you are using. Then we're going to open up our downloads folder, and here you can see the downloaded Python file. And what you do, you double click on it, or you right click and select open to run the Python execution file. And so the setup execution has started, and so you can customize your installation, and then you click on add Python exe to path, and we can customize the installation to choose what you want to install along with the Python. If you want to install the pip, if you want to install Python Ide, then you can choose any of them. And so we're going to go back now and click on install now, and it will start installing Python into our desktop or laptop. And so the download has been completed, the setup has been successful, and so you close it. And so next, you open up your browser, and what you're going to be searching for, the IDE you are going to be using is Pycharm. And so you type in Pycharm space exe download. And if you're using a 64-bit, you put 64-bit computer. If you're using a 32-bit, you put 32-bit, and it will take us to the results for downloading Pycharm exe. And so we are going to select the official Pycharm website. It is justbrains.com, as you can see it here. So you click on it, and it will open us up to the JetBrains website, where we can download Pycharm IDE. And so this is the options that we can download for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And you can see the community edition and the professional edition. And so we are going to be using the community edition for this project, which is free. If you choose to go for the professional edition, you can go for that. We're going to be downloading the community edition, and so you click on the download. And so this is the download page, and the download will automatically start. And if it doesn't start, you can see that it says you should use the direct link, so you can click on that link, and it will directly download it into your system. And so after downloading it, you can see the PyCharm has been successfully downloaded. And so what you're going to do next is double click on it, or right click and select open, so that we can run the PyCharm IDE installation. And so the setup has started, and you click on next, and you click on next, you select the directory where you want to install PyCharm, and you click on next. And then we are going to tick the four of these options. We're going to create desktop shortcut, update the context menu, and then we are going to associate it to any file which contains py, and then we're going to add the bin folder to the path. And so the association means that any file that has .py can be opened with Pycharm. And so we're going to click on next and install. So the installation has started. and the installation has been completed, and you can reboot your system, or you manually reboot it later so that the Python can be successfully installed. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.